So this YouTube site, Theology Ed, which I think is Mystery Babylon, heavy duty controlled opposition, did do a video. It's 50 minutes long, and right at the beginning, um, did say that these two eclipses they form an X across America, and I guess if you're brand new. Like, who doesn't know that? Well, let's don't be sarcastic. There might be somebody that might not know that, right? So the eclipses of August 21st, 2017, and this one coming up, they form an X across America. So that's a big deal, right? Well, what if they're 6 apart, time-wise? 6 years, 6 months, 6 weeks, 6 days. Well, that would be a pretty big deal, wouldn't it? So when we get to the calculator, if you key in this 2017, August 21st, and you key in 6 years, 6 months, 6 weeks, and 6 days, you get two different dates. It says Tuesday, April 29th, if larger units, months, years are added before the smaller units. Alternative result, if the smaller units, days, are added first, then it's on April 8th, the day of the eclipse. From one eclipse to the other, they're 666 apart. Well, they are regardless, because let's just go 6 years, 6 months, 6 weeks, and 5 days. That's still 666. And it lands on April 8th and then April 7th. So no matter how you slice it, it's 6 years, 6 months, 6 weeks, and then either 5 or 6 days, it is going to land on the other eclipse. So that's one eclipse to the other is 666. And I just showed in the previous video that April 8th eclipse does equate to Donald Trump. In the Jewish gematria is what it says here, and over here it's called Hebrew gematria. At the other cipher, or the other site we use, it's just called Jewish gematria, because Hebrew gematria is actually something different. So if different websites have different ways in which they call things, or call these different ciphers, but I think it's very fascinating. And we know Drumpf is the family surname before it was changed to Trump, but the name changes fulfills both Bible prophecies. Drumpf is how we get the number of the man. Donald John Drumpf equals SIX, SIX, SIX. In the most biblical, again, this Jewish Hebrew gematria. And Don Drumpf comes to 666 in what is known as English gematria, which is 6 times English ordinal or simple gematria, where A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. Well, in English gematria, A is 6, B is 12, C is 18. It's still a cipher that is used. And so Don Drumpf comes to 666 in that particular cipher. So April 8th eclipse, which makes an X across America with the other one, is 666 days from the other one. And April 8th eclipse happens to come to Donald Trump, which was the family surname before it was changed to Trump. And we just did a search on that even Snopes admits the surname of Donald Trump's family was originally Drumpf, Drumpf. So that's how we get the one Bible prophecy, the number of a man. And then it was changed to Trump to fulfill the other Bible prophecy where Jesus said he would be here in his own name. And a trump is a horn, and a horn is a trump, and the horn is the Antichrist in Daniel 7 and Daniel 8. So he's literally here in his own name, Donald Horn or Donald Trump, as they both are synonyms. He's here in his own name. There's nobody else that fulfills that. All right. Or would certainly fulfill both. All right. Love you.